everyone, it's Tanya. Today I am here to talk to you about some exciting news and to take you along on my unboxing of this big box right here. So let's get started. My exciting news for today is that a while back, AALL&Create reached out to me and asked me to be part of their guest design team. I am so flattered that I was asked and to be getting the opportunity to work with them. With that being said, this is the unboxing of my first guest design team box. So let's jump right in and see what I got. Let's turn it to the side so we can open it. Look at all these goodies. Okay, let's move this to the side and I'll start taking some things out and we'll look at them. Let's start here. I will post in the description the names of everything in the box in case you want to go purchase these items. So here's the first one. And as most of you probably know, I'm a huge fan of Halloween. My favorite holiday is Halloween. And this is Brainy and cute. And it is super cute. Then we have this one. This one is mostly harmless. I love the little mummy. He's so cute. We have this one, which is called Channeling Dee. Love the saying, out of body, out of patience. Super cute. Here we have ZombDee. Look at the little zombie dog. Adorable. Here we have Moonlight Mischief. Love the witch. So cute. And then this one is Howler's House. And this is really detailed. Can't wait to use those. Okay, let's get another pile out. See what we have here. This is Creepy Crawlies. I love these. These are so cute. Shutterbug. That's a great stamp set. I could see using this for a lot of different things. Oh, look at the fall one. Very cute. Falling for Fall. This one has a lot of little sentiments with it too. This one is Pawsitively Perfect. So cute. Look at the little dog. School Daze. This is adorable. She reminds me of the girl from The Big Bang Theory. This one is Reverse Squares. This is going to make a nice background. Oh, look at this one. This one's nice too. This one is Roundly. Again, these will be great for like backgrounds and things. Or even to add like a little something inside your card. Okay, let's see. Got some more. Christmas ones. We have Rein It In. Oh, look at the little reindeer. From our heart to yours, dearly yours, rein in the chaos. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we have this one, which is Elf Made. Moose-tletoe. Oh, I love this one. This one is Holiday House. This one is Snuggle Spark. Oh, look at all the little dogs. Love this. And the little hat. Oh, this is so cute. And we have a cat one. This one is Catmus Capers. This is cute. Look at the little Santa. The little kitty, and he's got the little broken ornament. That's pretty accurate. What a great set. Can't wait to use these. Okay, let's see. Have some bigger ones here. Let's start with this one. This is Wisecracks. This is really cute. It's got all kinds of little stars and circles and shapes and numbers you can use for backgrounds and things, and then all these cute sayings. Honesty is the best policy, but insanity is the best defense. Keep the dream alive, hit the snooze. Eat cake to stay safe. The more you weigh, the harder you are to kidnap. That one's cute. When one door closes, another one opens. But if you own a good axe, why should you get... Oh, I'm not going to say that on YouTube. You can read that. Cute, though. I really like this set. I can see using this one a lot. I love the snarky kind of funny sayings. And this is a great set right here. This is aged Manuscript. I really like the distressed look of this. What a great stamp set. And look how big these are. These are a nice size. So we have those. Let me see. Let's pull some stuff out. Okay, let's start with these. So these are Stencils. And this is Macrame. I really like the design on this. These are nice size stencils too. 6 by 6. So they're like the perfect size. And then this one is Lava Lamp. Again, another great stencil. Will make a really nice background, or even use it with a nice sentiment. You could just make that your card. Okay, let's grab a few more things. Let's see. This is a die set. This is 18 dies in here. And here's what all you get. You get this one. You get a frame for the inside. And you get all the numbers. The little symbols. That's really cute. And then this one is Roadway Vistas. I really like this tree. Those are nice. And the little ladder. Even the moon is really nice. I love the detail in that. I don't know if you can see, it puts that detail in it. So again, you get this die here. The little insert piece. 2 trees. The moon and the ladder. So 6 dies in this one. Let's see what we got here. So this is Spectrum Splash double-sided design papers, and this is the A6 size. And you know what, let's pop these open. So we can see them. So it's two of each design. So it's that one, that one. Wait, yeah. Oh, I guess that is similar. This one. So it looks like they've got some of the same designs on one side or the other, so you do get kind of more of certain ones. That's nice. because if you're like me and you have a favorite one, you kind of tend not to want to use it because you want it for the perfect project. I'm having a time getting things open and closed today with my fingernails. Okay, let's see. This is a 10-piece double-sided design paper called Sketch Streams. Okay, have that. I really like these. These are nice. Oh, this color is really pretty. And that's those. Okay, this one is called Seasoned Trails. And again, it's 10-piece double-sided paper. I'm going to show you if I can get it open here. Okay. This reminds me, for some reason, of Toy Story. I don't know why. Oh, look at that side. That's really nice. A little city view. Oh, look at the pretty snow one. That's the back of that. And then that's the back. Okay, this is, wait a minute, let me see here. Enchanting Larking, and this is a 2-piece A5 rub-on sheet. So you can see that. Let's see, is it two of the same or two different ones? Let's open it up and see. Oh, it's two different ones. So this is the two you get in this pack. These are really pretty too. I love the rub-ons. Again, another rub-on 2 A5 sheets, and this is Wanderlust Passport. Get this one and this one. Those are going to be really nice on a card. And another rub-on set, and this one is Emerald Azure. And these are the two you get with that. We have here a AALL&Create Undecorated square album cover made of Kraft. This is a really nice thick album cover. That is really nice. I'm excited to use that. Let's see. We have another pack of paper. This is 10 sheets of double-sided design paper, and this is Ticket to Time. Let's see what we got here. So a couple sheets of cutouts, it looks like. So it looks like these could make like pockets and stuff for a journal. Ooh, another set of those. Tag. Another pocket, like a little window pocket. Those are nice. These are really nice. I'm going to show you the back after I show you this side. And we'll flip them over and look at the other side. So that's those. And now let's flip them over. And then here's the other side. Oh, I love this. That is so pretty. This one's really nice too. These are really nice thick. See, these aren't like a thin cardstock. These are nice, thick, heavy weight. I don't know. I'll check in a second to see if it says what the weight is of these, but these are very nice weight. They'd be great for journaling and all that. It says 350 GSM uncoated paper. Those are really nice. Okay, I also got these. 2 sets of these are the binding disc for making like the little Rolodex cards and putting them together. They hook on this. I know that they have a die that actually cuts out the little cards that you hook onto these. And then the last thing I've got in the box are these washi tapes. And we have, this one is called Peony Pinks. So that gives you kind of a good idea what that looks like. Super pretty. And I'm probably not going to open all of these. This one is called Jarred Blooms. I'll pull it up here. Maybe you can see it a little better. This one is Shelf Stories. And it's like books and flowers. Really cute. This one is Still Unwritten. It's like a typewriter with some floral and some, looks like newspaper, some sunflowers. That was really pretty. We have this one, which is Glacier Grace, which looks like, well, let's open this one because I can't really see through the paper what this one is myself. So this one looks like a teacup and some cookies, and looks like coffee beans, some floral. That's really pretty. That looks like a peony. And then the last one is Melon Seeds. That's really neat. It's like, it looks like it's probably like a watermelon design. Very neat. So that is all of my first design team box. I hope you watch for me. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on Facebook. Definitely will be finding me in the AALL&Create Facebook page, Facebook group, sharing projects. So please keep an eye out for all my projects that I make using my first design team box. And again, I will post everything that I got in the box in the description below. So if there's anything you've seen that you liked, you can find it there. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.